सर आपको बहुत बड़ा ऑफर्स थे व्हेन यू लेफ्ट गवर्नमेंट पोस्ट एट अ पीक ऑफ योर करियर। आपको बहुत सारा ऑफर्स था कॉर्पोरेट से, आपने तब नहीं किया। आपने कहा मैं सिर्फ गांव में आके अपने गांव में लोगों को रहना चाहता हूँ। वो विजन और अब का विजन आपको लगता है फुलफिल कर पाएंगे? एंड कॉर्पोरेट्स को ना बोला और अब यहाँ चुनाव में है।
Well, after I came to Kerala, after leaving Delhi Metro job, I started getting mixed with the government projects and all that here. Last 10 years. First 5 years, it was the UDF government. Then the next 5 years, it was the LDF government. I was so frustrated by the performance or the functioning of the two governments. I thought there should be a complete change in the government itself. And people should get the benefit of good governance. That is the main thing. These two parties should be erased out, and a new party should come who will look after the interests of the people, not the interests of the party. Now the other governments were only they were only looking for the next election and to win votes. What is to be done?
दोनों पार्टी के लीडर्स कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी को यहाँ पे ज़्यादा वोट नहीं मिलेगा। उसको आप कैसे देखते हैं? आपने बीजेपी को पिक किया।
BJP is a growing organization in Kerala, which you can see in the last two elections, the Lok Sabha election as well as the local body elections. You can see that during the last 2-3 years, the BJP's vote share has gone up like anything. Now, after my joining BJP, a person like me, the image of BJP has completely changed here. It has attracted a lot of attention from a lot of people. A good many people of my caliber, my status, and people who have been working in the government, they all switch on to BJP. I would say there's a landslide change of voting in favor of BJP these days.
So, आपको लगता है कि चेंज होगा, बीजेपी भी सीटें जीतेगी और थर्ड फ्रंट की तरह यहाँ पर उभरेगी, एक और एक विकल्प की तरह, थर्ड ऑप्शन की तरह?
Yeah, there is no doubt I'll be winning from this constituency. There is no doubt about it. People are voting for me as a person who is well known in the country. Now, BJP also, there will be a big swing, and they will definitely have sufficient number of seats either to form the government or to play the role of a kingmaker. They will decide which party that will happen.
So you are saying that BJP will play the role of kingmaker here. Sir, issues. What are the major issues with which you are going? आप लोगों के बीच में कौन-कौन से मुद्दे उठा के लेके जाते हैं?
My issues are basically 4 here. One is development, basic development. You know, this Kerala state ruled by these two parties for the last 65 years. What development has come here? Hardly anything. We depend upon other states for everything, including food, vegetables, eggs, even energy. We don't have sufficient energy even in the state. We are surviving because many Keralites are working in Middle East and other places and they are sending money here. That's why Kerala is surviving. Now that cannot go. That is not development. If you see the development of Karnataka, development of Tamil Nadu, development of Andhra Pradesh, a recent state, we are nowhere. The basic developments have to come here. And that can be brought only by BJP. BJP has got a definite advantage. The central government also is BJP. Today, the state, whichever is the state government, they are only battling with the central government, not at all cooperating. Whereas the BJP government here will cooperate, and there will be a good synergy between the state and the center, and that will give immense benefit to the state. So, development. The second thing is industry. Do you know, not even one industry has come to Kerala during the last 20 years? And industry is already here. They are winding up and wanting to get away. Now, see, unless we have industry, we cannot create wealth. And unless we have industry, we can't find job opportunities. So industries have got to come here. For that, we have to make the required environment, give them the necessary incentives and help. That is what is required. Why industries were not coming here? any industry starting, within 2-3 years, there will be a red flag at the gate, and there will be agitations, lockouts, strike, this sort of thing. That is why people don't want to come and invest. There are many, many Keralites who are very rich, who are prepared to come and invest here, provided they are given a comfortable environment where they know that the money they invest is safe. That's all what is required.
इंटरेस्टिंगली आप छोटा छोटा पब्लिक मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ा बड़ा पब्लिक रैली नहीं हो रहा, रोड शो नहीं हो रहा, बहुत डिफरेंट कैंपेन स्टाइल है. ये क्या कैंपेन स्टाइल है सर, ये थोड़ा बताएंगे. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कैंपेन स्टाइल है.
Generally in Kerala, the campaigning fashion is go to house and beg for votes, shop to shop. I'm not doing that. I feel it's not necessary. What is required is to take home to the people what is my agenda, what I can do for them. If they understand that, vote will automatically come. So I am only getting people like this in places, about 100 people, 200 people, talk to them. And I don't talk very much because many people know what a metro man is, what he has achieved in the country. So they have firm faith, absolute trust in me.
What do you have to say? आपको क्या कहना है आपके ओपोनेंट जो लड़ रहे हैं यहाँ पर, जो अदर कैंडिडेट्स हैं दूसरी पार्टी से, उनके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
You see, it is my style. I don't find fault with my opponents. I don't talk ill of them. Even the state government also, I don't talk ill. I only put forward my agenda. The main thing is development, industry bringing, and a good, transparent, corruption-free government we brought.
अगर आपको कुछ कहना हो आपके हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी और अपने जो यहाँ कर वोटर्स हैं जो सब सुन रहे हैं, तो क्या सर एक लाइन में क्या कैंपेन स्लोगन रहेगा आपका?
They should vote for BJP and save the state. Vote for BJP and save the state. That is the message.
तो ये थे ई श्रीधरन जी जो कह रहे हैं कि वो यहाँ पर जो आए हैं वो स्टेट को बचाने के लिए आए हैं और इसलिए उन्होंने बीजेपी का साथ थामा है. आप देख सकते हैं इसी तरीके से जो है वो कैंपेन करते हैं, छोटी छोटी पब्लिक मीटिंग्स करते हैं, 2 से 3 ही पब्लिक मीटिंग्स करते हैं और उसके बाद फिर वो अपने घर चले जाते हैं. अब आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर लोगों को मिले हैं और यहाँ से फिर जो है आगे जा रहे हैं. उनका कहने का मतलब है कि मैं बहुत एक डिफरेंट स्टाइल का कैंपेन कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पर कि कम लोगों से मिलता हूँ, लेकिन मेरा जो काम है उसको घर घर पहुँचाया जा रहा है और वो इंश्योर किया जा रहा है कि वो कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर सब लोग जानते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या ज़िंदगी में किया है और क्या उन्होंने देश के लिए किया है. और यहाँ पर आपको हम एक बार फिर से दिखाते हैं कि जहाँ पर भी हो जाते हैं सेल्फीज़ लेने के लिए लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं. भीड़ कम है लेकिन उस पर वो कह रहे हैं कि मेरे आने के बाद से जो है बीजेपी को यहाँ पर काफ़ी बूस्ट मिला है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट है कि वो जो है ये चुनाव जीतेंगे. कैमरा पर्सन गंगा सिंह के साथ सुप्रिया भारद्वाज, TV9 भारतवर्ष, पलाकाड.
अड़ी सोमवार से शुक्रवार शाम 6 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर.